So class, welcome back now. I first hope that you must have understood our conversation class and what I wanted to tell you some the facts related to Janmashtami. So you all have understood that. You have watched the series which I joined within the video related to Krishna's birth, and you have understood how Lord Krishna's birth happened. Very good. So the craft sample which I have taught you, make it, enjoy your festival of Janmashtami with full zeal and full enthusiasm. Okay? So now you all know why we celebrate Janmashtami, whose birthday it is, and Janmashtami is coming on 12th. So just celebrate it with your family, decorate your house, decorate your temples, decorate the mandir which you are having at home, and celebrate the birthday of Lord Krishna. Okay? So now moving to our today's mathematics class. So in maths, in the previous class, I have taught you about the comparison on the basis of their width. That is wide, that means chauda, and narrow, that is kam chauda, or we can say in the very simplest language, bhida. Clear everyone? So you have understood that concept. Wide is chauda and narrow is kam chauda. Now, moving to one more concept of comparison, that is more or less. So today we are going to compare the things on the basis of their quantity. Quantity मतलब वो चीज़ हमारे पास कितनी है. More is ज़्यादा and less means कम. So more is ज़्यादा. So all of you first understand the meaning of these two words. So more means ज़्यादा. What is more? कोई चीज़ हमारे पास ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में होना. So आज का कंपैरिजन which we are doing is on the basis of quantity, कि कोई चीज़ हमारे पास कितनी है. And less means कम. So the first example which I want to give you is a very simple one. For example, today is your birthday. आज आपका birthday है and you bring toffees or candies to school to get them distributed in the class. Isn't it so? आप जो टॉफीज लाते हो, कैंडीज मम्मा देती है ना कि go and distribute them with your friends in the class, among them and celebrate your birthday. तो जब मम्मा देती है, मम्मा आपको फुल पैकेट देती है, फुल पैकेट देती है मम्मा, बट दैट मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, दे आर मोर, क्वान्टिटी उनकी ज़्यादा है. अब we celebrated the birthday and after that you distributed to your friends. आपने क्या किया? आपने वो टॉफीज, वो कैंडीज आपके फ्रेंड्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी क्लास में. फिर क्या हुआ? जब आपने सबको दे दी तो क्या वो कम बची या उतनी ज्यादा थी आपके पास? वो कम हो गई. दैट मीन्स लेस. सो मोर मीन्स ज्यादा एंड कम मीन्स लेस मीन्स कम. सो मोर ज्यादा, लेस कम. Now moving to one example which I have drawn here. I have a jug of water. Water का एक जग है, बड़ा जग होता है which we use to serve water. उसको मामा ने पूरा fill कर दिया. So is this water equal to the water we have in glass? जो जितना पानी जग में है, क्या वो water जो ग्लास में है उसके equal है? Are they both having equal quantity of water? No, they are not. So jug is having more water. जग में ज़्यादा पानी है ना? Because jug is filled, पूरा भरा हुआ है. And water is glass is also filled. But glass का size छोटा है. So glasses, the size of glass is small and the size of jug is big. So remember the concept big and small. So this is big and this is small. तो जो big object है उसमें water कितना है? More है, ज़्यादा है, because वो big है. And if this glass, if we talk about this glass, इसमें water less है, यानी कम है, because this glass is small. So are you able to relate the topic big and small with more and less? So big is बड़ा, as I told you, बड़ा object है, so that is having more water. The object is small, so we have less water. For example, अब ठीक है, object की बात है. Now I have similar objects with me. Can you see these two boxes I have? So one is a box with yellow peas, and one is a box with blue beads. Are these two boxes visible to you? See, I have these two boxes. Now I'll keep them like this on one another. Keep it like this. अब आपको यहाँ से दोनों चीजें visible है, दोनों चीजें visible हो रही हैं आपको. So can you tell me, if I hold it like this, can you tell me which box is having more beads? ज़्यादा beads किस box में? Which color box? Which beads are more? Blue or yellow? So yellow beads are more. More means ज़्यादा. ये वाला जो हमारा yellow box है, it is filled. This yellow beads, they are filled. पूरा भरा हुआ है. And if we talk about these blue beads, they are less. इसमें से beads कम हैं. So what we are going to say? Less. We are going to say less for this and more for this. ये ज़्यादा है ना? जब हम इन दोनों को compare कर रहे हैं, तो ज़्यादा कौन सा है? Which box is having more? Yellow beads are more and blue beads are less. Clear? Now, if we move to this example, a bowl of sweets. So these are two bowls and both the bowls are having sweets in it. So tell me, which bowl is having more sweet? This is bowl A and this is bowl B. So which bowl is having more sweets? A or B? B. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bowl A is having only 5 sweets. इस bowl में कितनी है? Only 5 sweets. And this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So comparison of more and less can be done either in this way, where we can see अगर बड़ा object है, if the object is big and it is filled and we are comparing it to the small object, तो हम पता लगा सकते हैं. Now you cannot count the water. As we have counted these laddus, you cannot count water na. Water can be compared if we are having a big object and a small object. तो अगर big object है and it is filled, obviously it is having more, and a small object is having less quantity. But in case of laddus, or as I told you, in case of these beads, अब ये beads हैं, it is clearly visible. This box is filled, ये पूरा filled है, so it is more. अब ये empty है थोड़ा सा. आपको empty और full वाला भी concept याद है? So this box is empty, ये थोड़ा सा खाली है. That means this is having less. But the other thing which we can do is we can count these beads. हम इन दोनों boxes की beads को count भी कर सकते हैं, as I have done here with these laddus. So both the ways we can tell or we can identify about the topic more or less. If the object or the things which are kept is countable, अगर वो हम count कर सकते हैं, तो we will count it and we can say which is more or which is less. If it is liquid like substance, तो हम ये देख सकते हैं कि if the thing is in big container, अगर वो big container में है, तो that is more, and if it is compared with small container, if we are comparing two containers, so we can easily say कि the big container is having more and small container is having less. In this case, अब एक और third case जो बीच का मैम ने आपको दिखाया, we are having two equal size boxes. लेकिन हम देख के बता सकते हैं because this box is full and this box is half full. Empty तो नहीं बोलेंगे, this box is half full. So we can tell अब जो पूरा भरा हुआ है that is having more objects in compared to the one which is having less. ठीक है? So the meaning of more I want to tell you is ज़्यादा. So come on now everyone say with me. What is the meaning of more? More means ज़्यादा. So more means ज़्यादा and less means कम. What is the meaning of less? कम. And what is the meaning of more? ज़्यादा. Understood everyone? So now today you are going to do work in your book as well as notebook. So in book you are going to do book page number 10. So this page number 10 is your homework. This page number 10 of book is your homework, and what you have to do as classwork in your notebook, I'll just show you. So first look at the work how we are going to do in your notebook. After that, do your work and complete your homework also. So just have a look to the notebook work first. Okay. So class, yesterday we have learned the concept of wide and narrow, and today I have also taught you a new concept, that is more and less, and we are going to do that work here. So first thing is, we are going to write today's date, 7th August 2020, and this is your classwork. So write CW. Now first thing is, we are going to write topic, that is more and less. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of more? More means zyada and less means kam. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw one example of more. So I am drawing a jug here. You can draw any other shape if you feel like. So this is a jug, and what we are going to do, as we have done in the previous work, we are going to draw it with black sketch pen as well, so that it's easy for us to identify the shape now. So now one is this jug. I have drawn first with pencil and done the sketch pen. So this is the way you are going to do the work. Don't draw directly with sketch pen. But ma'am is very much easy in drawing with sketch pen, so I am drawing directly. Now with this, I'll draw a water here. Water which is filled in this jug. So you can color it with blue color also. And with this, I'll draw one tumbler or a glass of water, and I'll fill this also. So now tell me, which one will have more, a jug or a glass? Jug will have more water. So we'll write more here, and I'm going to write less here. Understood? So more means zyada and less means kam. So this is one example. One more example, if we want to write or we want to draw, what it can be? Can anyone tell me? Yes, we can draw a bowl of laddus as we have drawn on board. So this is one bowl I am drawing here. And in this bowl, I am going to draw few laddus like this. Now I'll draw one more bowl here, and I'll draw some laddus in this also. So now tell me, which bowl is having more? Bowl A or bowl B? Which is having more laddus? Bowl B is having more. So what we'll do, I'll write more here and less here. Clear everyone? So what we have learned? We have learned the topic more and less. So what is the meaning of more? More means zyada and less means thoda. And this comparison is done on the basis of quantity, कि हमारे पास कोई चीज़ कितनी ज़्यादा है या कितनी कम है. अब if I tell you about apples, मम्मा मार्केट से एप्पल्स लाए हैं. So in one bag she has 10 apples, and in the other bag she has 15 apples. So which is having more apples? The one which is having 15, यानी कि उसकी quantity ज़्यादा है. So the comparison of more and less is done on the basis of quantity. Is that clear to all of you? So class, you have understood both your homework as well as your classwork. So in classwork, in your notebook, you are going to draw any two type of comparisons. Either it can be like this, I have drawn on the board, or something which I have shown in the notebook. You can draw any type of comparisons, color those pictures and write more or less below those pictures. You are going to write more जहाँ पे ज़्यादा है और less जहाँ पे कम है. Clear all? And after that, complete your homework, that is book page number 10. And how you have to do that? I have told you that also. Clear everyone? So complete your work and share your pictures with me. And after that, get ready for the next class. Clear all?